Hi guys, what's up? Back with another video. Today I'll make just a quick review on a football kit that I just basically trade with my friends. So it's basically a Terengganu football kit, the 66th edition kit, but this time it's the away version. Last time I make a review on the home version, which is the white one, but this time I'm just gonna go and make a review on the away version, which is the black one. So this is the kit. I'm just going to make a quick review just to show you the details of this jersey to you, because last time the video that I made on the home version of this kit, I didn't really show you guys the details part of this jersey. So in this video I'm just going to show you the details part of this jersey. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, we start with the logo or the emblem. The emblem that they use for the jersey is basically the flag of the Terengganu. So this logo or emblem is basically embroidered into the jersey, as you can see. And then we go to the umbro part. This umbro part is actually, as you can see, it's basically just a kind of woven feel. It's not really a what we call a what is it? The material that the sponsor on shirt, but it's kind of feel like a woven feel, being hit press on into this jersey. And the special part of this jersey is basically, as you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, it's basically the return of TFC on every parts of the jersey, like all over of this jersey. You can see here, yeah, TFC. Show you clearly here. So yeah, this is the amazing details that I want to show you guys, that I failed to show you guys on the previous videos. Let's move on the collar part. The collar part is just a simple collar, but comes with a button. It's actually a V-neck, but when you button it up, it doesn't look really like a V-neck. It's more like a crown neck. And the material of this collar is basically just cotton. It's not that thick either, just thin. You can see it's usually a size S for Asia size, but for Europe, American or Great Britain size XS. And on the sleeve part you can see the umbro logo. It's not the same like the we call the flag of the Terengganu. It's basically just what we call, I think it's just a thread that being sewn on this jersey, just the same material of this jersey but just different color to make it looks pops out like that. So logo umbro till the back end of the sleeve, all around the sleeve. And you can see here clearly, yes, the TFC part. I like these details. Actually, you can't really see if you look from far away, but this is very amazing for me, I guess. And then last but not least, the we call here the, I don't know, the patch, or I don't know, it's kind of different. It's kind of give the reflective look kind of view, I think. So see here, it's quite unique actually. It's very nice finishing. The feel is, I think it's made of rubber, I guess, because the feel is kind of thick, but it's a little bit feel like rubber. So yeah, this is it on body. Size S. The last kit was on size XS, so there's one trade with my friends, because size S is a little bit fit on me. SS is just a bit smaller. And yeah, this is it. That's all I have to show. Like this one, I want to show you guys on this video, just the detail parts of the jersey, and that's all. I mean, like previous video I failed to show the basically the detail parts of it. So Thank you for watching and enjoy this video, and adios.